Episode 5. Making friends as an adult, without it being weird. Making friends as a kid? Easy. As an adult? Awkward. Here's how to do it naturally. When you're a kid, making friends is almost laughably simple. You like swings. I like swings. Boom. Best friends. But as an adult, it's trickier. Everyone's busy, routines are set, and inviting someone out without sounding weird feels like trying to cold pitch a friendship. The good news? It's not impossible. You just need a gentle approach. Start where you already are. You don't have to find some hidden friendship club. Your gym, favorite cafe, workplace, or neighborhood are gold mines. Familiarity builds comfort, and comfort builds connection. Sometimes, saying hi to the same barista 3 days in a row is the first step. Show genuine interest. Friendships aren't built on grand gestures. They're built on feeling seen. Remember small details. How did that project you mentioned last week go? Did your kid like the science fair? It shows you're actually listening, which instantly sets you apart. Start small. Skip the big leaps like, come to my birthday party. Instead, try, want to grab a quick coffee? Small asks feel safer to accept and easier to say yes to. Be consistent. Friendship isn't built in one lightning bolt moment. It's built in repeated, small interactions. The casual check-ins, the regular hangouts, the I saw this and thought of you texts. Consistency turns acquaintances into real friends. Let it grow naturally. Don't rush it. Good friendships are like plants. Steady, patient care beats drowning them with attention once a year. The shortcut most people miss. Shared activities create stronger bonds than endless small talk. Instead of just chatting, do something together. Take a class, try a new cafe, join a weekend hike. Doing is greater than talking when it comes to connection. Pro tip: friendship as an adult isn't about finding time. It's about making time and showing up in small, consistent ways.